Alright guys, so in today's video we're going to be taking our old Honda OEM intake and we're going to be making it into our own custom short ram intake pretty much for free. So if you want to do this on a budget like I am, I guess, almost do what I do, not everything, but we'll see. So let's hop right out there, start removing our old intake system, locking everything up, custom fitting our new one. So let's get right out there and I'll see you guys when we're in the engine bay. Alright, so here is our Honda OEM intake. So we're going to be taking this whole system off. Got a crankcase breather here that we're going to slap on. It's a little filter that matches this. We're going to cut this probably right here so it flips, and we're going to flip it around so it faces this way. Anyway, let's get right into this and make the engine bay look a little bit cleaner. Alright guys, now that everything is disconnected, I guess we're going to start cutting this. Here we go. Well, guys, that is my intake. So it is pretty good. Flexing the Miata a little bit. That is the only part that I got. It was like, I don't know, $5 or something. It's a 3-inch coupling. It's just connecting these two pipes. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty mint. I just gotta throw a hose clamp here and here, and it's done. I'm gonna finish mocking this thing up. I'll catch you guys when it's completely finalized. Alright guys, so everything is completed. The only thing that does look bad about this is I had to use a rusty hose clamp, and yeah, that's about it. Other than that, it looks pretty dang good for, I don't know, $5. It's pretty worth it. 120 degrees right there of angle from this to this, so I mean, it works. Anyway, I'm gonna go give you guys the driving footage of it. So we're gonna start it up first. Should be fine. I mean, the only thing was just keeping away from that heat, and yeah, so it's cold air-ish, probably, not sure. Anyway, let's start the car up. Alright guys, you are in the classic seat shot right now. We're gonna give you guys a quick driving clips. I don't think it should change much. I just wanted to relocate the intake so it's not as hot. So yeah, you can definitely hear the exhaust a little more. You can hear the intake on the passenger side suck in air just a tiny bit more. But yeah, other than that, the car seems to be just fine. We haven't really pushed it yet. Woo! That is awesome. Alright guys, everything looks to be working right now. Everything works just fine, just like OEM. Don't know about this thing. Ow, that's MF hot. We got some mad drip down here now, so gosh, that's gonna trigger people. Anyway, that's so lit. And the headers are starting to tint, and I don't know, just heat cycle, so that's pretty cool too. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I mean, again, it's pretty easy install. Took maybe an hour to do it at most. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it. I know videos aren't coming out as consistently as they used to be. I've just gotten really busy now from soccer, so that's gonna put a setback to videos. But anyway, we got more mods coming. So I'll catch you guys in the next video with new mod or whatever we're gonna do. But until then, goodbye.